Hey everyone, Nathan of Stonehaven Landscape and Design here. We're here to show you the quick install of the Bold Edge. Great undercap lighting that really lights up any steps, gives you any kind of grade change, the safety at night, and really adds depth to your landscape. So we'll get right to it. I'll show you how to get this installed. So for any undermounting lighting application, especially in stone, you're going to want to start by grinding out your front edge just so we recess this plate down far enough. We've also ground out a channel for our light to go back. So we're simply going to attach our Cobra connector to our pre-run wire. We got our 12-2 wire back here. Flip the cap, connection at the bottom. We can check our indicator light. Seeing green, we have power there. Ready to connect our light. We got power, hide all our wires behind our coping, run right through there, and ready to throw the coping down. So that's the simple way of installing the edge for our undermounting light. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to all the social media channels from Bold. Also take a look at us from Stonehaven, and until next time, we'll see you again.